Welcome to the next Durham College Student Academic Learning Services video on debits and credits. If you have not watched our introduction to debits and credits, I recommend you do so now before continuing with this video. In this video, we are going to talk about the effect that debits and credits have on the owner's withdrawals account. Let's begin. Before we do our example, we need to expand the accounting equation. We do this because equity is made up of 4 different account types that change the equation in different ways. Instead of equity, we are going to use capital, withdrawals, revenues, and expenses. Notice that withdrawals and expenses have negative signs in front of them. That means that whatever the balances in those accounts are, those balances are subtracted from the equation. When those accounts increase in value, they actually cause the right side of the equation to decrease. Again, an increase in the account causes a decrease in the equation. Arrows will be used to show the effect of debits and credits on the different types of accounts. Up arrows for increase, down arrows for decrease. Remember that debits are on the left side of T-charts and credits on the right. In this example, the owner of a company withdraws $600 from the company cash account for personal use. The cash withdrawn is an asset of the company, so we know that the cash account is credited because it is decreasing. The owner is taking something from the company for personal use. Whenever the owner of the company takes something from the company, the value is recorded in the owner's withdrawals account. The cash account was credited, so the transaction needs a debit. The debit is applied to the owner's withdrawals account. Rule 2 states that the equation must always be in balance. We know that the left side of the equation decreased because of the credit. The only way for the equation to balance is for the right side to also decrease. Note that there is a negative sign in front of the withdrawals account type. Whatever the balance of the account is, it is subtracted from the right side of the equation, causing it to decrease. Therefore, the debit to the owner's withdrawals account must have increased the value of the account so that it has a positive balance, and the right side of the equation can decrease. 2 negatives together create a positive, and that would increase the right side of the equation, which we don't want. So now we know that debits increase the owner's withdrawals account, and therefore credits decrease the owner's withdrawals account. That brings us to the end of this video on debits and credits. Be sure to watch our other videos to learn how debits and credits affect different account types. If you have any questions about this material, I encourage you to come to the SALS Center located in room 204 of the Student Services building and make an appointment with the appropriate learning skills advisor. Thanks for watching.